Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Vauxhall Corsa 2011 model 1. I think 2 engine. I'm not sure. However, this car been to the another garage and they said this customer need to do the timing chain basically, and they quoted around like a little bit high prices over £1,000. However, customer has a small doubt about the repair and prices, but he came to me to find out what's going on. Basically, he need a second advice from me. Right, I'll show you what's going on here. Basically, you can see engine light on, and I keep the running car 2-3 minutes. I can't hear any timing chain rattling or something. I'm not too much worried for the timing side at the moment, but however, like this problem we can't assuming and work. I need a evidence from the computer. I'm going to check with my computer what's the faulty codes. Okay, right, I got the faulty code under the engine management P0013-00 exhaust camshaft position control solenoid circuit malfunction. Right, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch off the engine ignition on and try to clear this DTC. Yes, it's not allowed to clear, it's straight back. Right, okay, I'm going to keep the running for a minute. Right, when I see like this problem, according to the my knowledge, it could be lack of service. Basically, people not maintain the service. Could be low oil pressure, or they didn't do the service long time. Could be that's one. If it not, could be this vehicle has a two cam adjusters, bank 1 and bank 2, or inlet and outlet. Basically, according to the this one, bank 1, I think exhaust side. I had to check in the minute, but sometime that adjusters not working properly or some electrical problem. I feel in this one rather than the timing chain, I feel in this one like a electrical problem. Okay, now we have some part to go. We know exactly something not right in the cam section. Could be timing chain, could be camshaft, or could be cam adjusters. I don't know. We'll go to the engine bay. We'll have a look what's going on there. Right, open the engine. Sorry, open the bonnet. Basically, before I start the job, I'm always check engine oil level, coolant level. If any car come to any problem, that's my normal basic theory. Yeah, first of all, I'm going to check the coolant level. You can see this coolant level, fine, it's in the correct level. See, it's in the correct level. Next step, I'm going to check the oil level and smell. Right, you can see oil level not bad. I feel in this car recently done the service, and we'll see. Yeah, it's not too much smell. I feel in this car done recently service. Okay, now I'm going to visually check the engine bay. Right, my next mission, they're talking about the camshaft solenoid or cam adjusted. It sit on here. This is the exhaust cam. This side you can see this connector missing. This connector missing. Right, okay, we'll see the inlet cam adjuster. Yeah, we can see this is inlet cam adjuster. It's there, connector there. Right, okay, now this side connector missing. We'll see what happened to the connector. Right, here we are. Yeah, this one hanging. Right, this one hanging as it is. Right, I feeling someone disconnect or it's came out. I don't know why it's came out. We'll see. I need to check more. Right. Here we are. See? Can you see the driver belt? See? It's tiny belt here. Two or three teeth missing. Just slightly. I feeling this belt came out. Halfway came out. It's knocked the this connector. Okay. We connect the wire. You can see we connect the wire for the solenoid. Yeah, you can see now we done the belt, and this is the belt. It's hanging and you can see crack mark. See, yeah, see crack mark. Yeah, okay, done the job. Next step, I'm going to ignition on and try to reset this faulty code, basically clear faulty codes. Still that light there. I'm going to switch off and start the car again. Still light on and it's saying something not right. Again enter and go to the read faulty codes. Yeah, go back and try to delete from here. Yes, you can see now engine management light disappeared. I'm going to switch off and switch on. Yeah, you can see engine light disappeared. Yeah, basically what happened, we can't delete from the main menu. To go to the engine control module, reset the light. Yeah, now it's reset, all working fine. If you have like this problem, you know what to do now. Some garages take you around, be careful. Yeah, comment section open for you. If you want, comment in the comment section, share your experience with us. Also, if you need to join with us our WhatsApp group or Facebook group, link in the description. You can click that link and you can join with there and you can ask whatever problem in there. Okay, also don't forget to subscribe and follow my channels. See you in the next video.